What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hannah. I am a lifestyle YouTuber and vlogger. Thank you so much for tuning in. Before we get started, I would really appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button and turning on that bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And as always, if you get to the end of this video and you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. We are living in a really crazy time. Obviously, I have lost count of the days we've been in quarantine. I think we're on like day 20 something. And I know for me, like a great escape has been watching funny, entertaining videos on YouTube. And I really hope that this video just, if it makes you laugh and entertains you, it gives you a little bit of an escape just from everything going on. I would just like to say too, that I have a lot of close friends who are in healthcare and I worry and pray for them every single day. But I wanted to say, you know, if you're in healthcare and you're watching this video, thank you a million times over for the work that you're doing fighting on the front lines. I cannot emphasize how grateful and thankful I am for all of the amazing men and women who are just doing such sacrificial work. So thank you to you. As you know, we can't go to the salon, so everyone's hair is kind of turning into something they didn't expect. Like for me, if you look closely, and ignore how oily my hair is because we're gonna wash it, but my hair is getting a lot darker than it used to be. I will include a picture right here so you guys can see what my hair looked like just a few months ago. So yeah, we got a lot of darkness happening right here, and that's okay. We're gonna embrace it. We're working on embracing it, but you know, we don't know how long we're gonna be in quarantine, so why not have a little fun, you know? I decided to dye my hair pink, temporarily. I'm going to be using the Moroccan oil color depositing mask in the color rose gold. Now, this is for light blonde hair to medium blonde hair, and you guys might be like, you're turning into a brunette, why would you do this? I am really going to focus on the areas of my hair that are blonde and not really focus on like up here because obviously that's not going to do anything. So just answer that question if you had it. But this came highly recommended on Amazon because it is also a deep conditioning treatment, which is great. It is a temporary color, so we're not going for like permanent results over here because this could turn out really badly. But we're gonna take the risk and see what happens. So let's read the instructions before we get started. Okay, to use, apply a generous amount to clean towel dried hair. Section hair, distribute product evenly using a wide tooth comb. Leave on for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Okay, so first step we gotta do is I gotta go wash my hair, shampoo, condition it, and then towel dry it. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have washed my hair. To be honest, I have no idea why I had makeup on because I just had to take it all off, but we are all natural. So we're going to towel dry our hair, and this suit, just so you guys know, this is like very foreign for me because curly hair people, we do not towel dry hair. So this feels weird, to be honest. Okay. I think that's good enough. Okay, so we're going to brush. Ow! Ow! So, fun fact, you know how the instructions called for a comb? I don't got a comb, so we're just gonna make it work. So, the hair is brushed. The sleeves are being rolled. Also, as you guys can probably assume, I'm wearing a dark sweatshirt for a reason. Okay, so I have these hair clips right here. They're the Kristen S hair clips from Target, and I'm gonna use those to section off my hair. So we're gonna section into like 3 pieces. I'm going to split my hair and section off the like top pieces like this, you guys can see. And just twirl it around and then take one of these clips right here, and we're just gonna clip that in. I'm gonna twirl. Okay, I feel like I look like Xenon. So as you guys can see, the bottom half of my hair is pretty dark. So we're just gonna do a really light coat on the bottom half just because I do want to be cohesive and I want to make sure that I'm covering all areas of my head. But because this is so dark, there's just a little bit of blonde right here, if you guys can see that. So, and also that's really supposed to be in the front piece that's up, but whatever. And also, I'm not sure if you're supposed to do this with gloves, but I don't have any gloves and I don't need to have any gloves because all the gloves should be going to our hospitals, so it doesn't really matter. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it came out. Oh my gosh, why am I nervous? Okay, it's happening. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so good. Wow. Okay. Like I said, we're not doing a ton on the bottom half just because, like, what's the point? It's already brown. Pink will not show up very well. But I am going to coat it just because, you know, why not? Okay. Get that close up, you guys. Honestly, I'm not going to, like, make you guys watch me coat my whole entire head and talk the entire time. So, I'm gonna speed this up. I have, like, basically my whole head coated. Now, I remember earlier when I said I wasn't going to do, like, my whole head because a lot of it's brown. Well, I also forgot that this is a mask and I really need some moisture, so I'm just going to go ahead and freaking cover my whole head. Eek. Good thing I'm wearing a dark sweatshirt, guys, because I'm spilling it all over. I'm going to put it into a bun in the back, like this. Okay, so the bottle says, and you guys want to see the bottle, it is covered in hair and color. So the bottle says, I'm dropping it, you guys. The color says 285 to 7 minutes. So while we wait, I'm going to wash my hands and clean off the pieces, like the parts around my face where it's there, and then I'll check back in with you guys after time's up. I'm very excited. Okay, so the timer just went off. I actually ended up kind of accidentally leaving it on for 15 minutes, so I'm a little anxious, but I'm gonna rinse it out and oh, I'm so nervous. Let's see what happens. Oh god. Okay. Why am I so nervous? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're gonna brush through it. You guys. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh man. That is pink. I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna towel dry it and then I'm gonna blow dry it so you guys can see it better. Okay guys, so I blow dried it, but I kind of put it up in a bun because it's real poofy right now. And I just did like the shoddiest job on blow drying because I was so excited. But here is the final result. I love it. Like, I'm kind of just like, I absolutely love it. When it's like less poofy, and I'm also really excited to see it like with my natural curl. And like I said guys, this is temporary. I think it washes out in like 10 washes, but like how fun. Of course my camera battery dies in the middle of my big reveal, but here it is guys. I really, really love it. Would highly, highly recommend this Moroccan oil color depositing mask. I'm gonna have a link to it in the description box below so you guys can try it out for yourself. They also have several different colors, but I really liked it too because it was a hair mask as well, so it made my hair feel really soft. And yeah, I have no complaints. I can't stop staring at it. Wow. Also, I think it was good to leave it on for 15 minutes because I do have darker hair. So just keep that in mind. If your hair is similar to my hair, maybe don't do the 5 to 7 minutes, maybe to extend it just a little bit longer, because I think that definitely helped. Since it is a rose color, it's, what? Like rose color, not necessarily like a bright, bright pink. I think it kind of needs more time to develop on your hair. So guys, if you liked this video, like I said earlier, please give it a thumbs up. Would love to see you guys subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm obsessed with it. I really hope you guys do this. If you do, tell me. Let me see pictures. Would love to see it. So as always guys, thank you for tuning in. I love you all so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.